My opening is stock count is 6,000. My closing is 11,000 plus, right? But throughout the whole year, January to December, I have plus, I have minus, I have plus, I have minus. So all these things will conclude to the end is 11,000. How can we visualize it in a chart? We can visualize it by using your line chart or line graph. But I want to see the movement, right? If I want to see the movement, I can use what we call waterfall chart. In a waterfall chart, same thing. I just select all the cells that I want to visualize, go to insert, and this time you can find waterfall chart in Excel. Okay, I click waterfall chart, and straight away it will give me a movement. Anything that is negative, then it will give a different color. Okay, make sure that you specify that that is a negative number. So I have positive, negative, positive, negative. So I tidy up this chart, right? Since I already built the numbers, since Excel already give me the labels on top of each bar or each column, I don't need my x-axis anymore or y-axis anymore. I delete it, right? So I don't need all this line, the borders and the line. Later we will learn why we don't need all these things, this element. Okay, so now you see the problem is that this is opening 6,000. I have plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus until the end, the closing. And how come this is a shoot up, right? For people who are in stock market, it's good lah. That is a positive shoot, right? But now I want to show that this is the total, which supposed to be at the bottom. So how can I do that? Is that click on one time, click second time on this bar, and you go to this, what we call the series option, and you set this as total. Instead of setting this as another bar, you set this as a total bar. Once you click on it, then the whole bar will flip it to a total bar. So now this is 1169. So from 6,000 to 1169. So I want to show that maybe anything decrease, I want it to red color. Click one time, second time to choose this decrease, change the color to red color, right? Good. So anything that is increased, I want to change it to green color. Click one time, second time, change it to green color. Okay. Oops. Oh, I changed differently. I changed the line instead. No line. Fill. Change it to green. Same thing for this one. This now I just took line, no line. Fill. Change it to red. Okay, so now this. But the only thing is that opening and the closing, I need to change to different color. How to change to different color? Click one time, second time, click to this bar. And of course, you change that solid color. You change to maybe this one. I want to remain it as blue color. And the end also, I want to remain it as a blue color. So now this is how a waterfall chart looks like. Okay. Before is 6,000, you have a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Until the end, we can see the closing is 11,000 plus. Okay. So this is waterfall chart.